A very good morning everyone present here. I am Dr. Golden Sambeth, Controller of Examinations and the Head of the Department of Mathematics. As the Controller of Examination, I feel happy to address you. You have now become a part of this prestigious institution. So make use of every opportunity you get. Now I am going to explain you the exam pattern and the credits you must earn for your reference. Kindly make note of it. Subjects can be classified into 5 parts which consist of certain credits to occur. So, the part 1 is the general Tamil. If the students have not studied Tamil yet, they can prefer Hindi or French up to 1st to 4th semester. For the students of BCom, Computer Science, Nanoscience, BCA, they only study this paper for 1st and 2nd semester only. So, every student can earn from this subject 3 credits. Then part 2 is the general English. This is common for all the students up to 1 to 4th semester. But for the students of BCom, Computer Science, Nanoscience and BCA students, they only study this subject from 1 to 2nd semester only. So, every student can earn 3 credits from this subject. Okay, then part 3, that is, this includes so many subjects, that is major, allied, elective and skill based and practical and project. This project they can study on the 5th semester only. For the first year chemistry students, they can prefer either maths paper or botany paper for their allied subjects. So, every student can earn 4 or 5 credits from this part 3 subject. And part 4 is meant for NME, that is nothing but non-major elective. They study general studies under this non-major elective. And then they could study this effective communication also. So, every student can earn 2 credits from this part 4. And part 5 is nothing but NSS, NCC, games. So, from these 3, they can earn credit 1 up to 4th semester. Then for self-learning, they study in the 3rd and 4th semester. Every student should have or should earn 2 credits from this part 5. This is compulsory one. Then extra credits to be earned. For UG course, every student must secure 5 credits and maximum they can earn 15 credits. The extra credits may be earned by choosing the appropriate courses. So, scripture or moral, they can choose either one subject, scripture or moral. From this, every student can earn 2 credits. Then, self-learning courses. 2 courses is compulsory, may be taken during 4th and 3rd semester for UG. So, every student can earn 1 credit per course. Then certificate courses, TAFT, NPTEL, SUYAM, MOOC, PMK, 30 hours, library visit for book review or paper presentation. So, if they spend 15 hours in these courses, they can earn 1 credit per course. Then mini projects, field projects, special practical and case study. For this one, they can secure 1 credit for this one. And in-plant training, that's minimum for 10 days, they can earn 1 credit. If it is maximum 3 weeks, they can earn 2 credits. Okay, then conference, seminars and workshops related to their departments or allied departments, international or national, state, regional and paper presentation participation, they can earn 2 or 1 credit with respect to their choices. Then winners in the competitions including sports, if it is in the national level, they can earn 2 credits. In the college level or district or state level, they can earn 1 credit. If for any student holding positions such as chairman, secretaries of college union and chapel secretary, they can earn 1 credit. Then blood donation or any activities recognized by the government or media, they can earn 1 credit. So, the overall credits are part 1 is 12 credits and part 2 is 12 credits and part 3 is 95 credits and part 4 20 credits. Altogether, they can earn 139 credits from these 4 subjects. Then NCC, NSS and games, they can earn 1 credit. Then every student can secure 5 credit from extra credits. So altogether the total credits is 139 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 145 credits. So at the end of the degree, every student must secure 145 credits to finish their degree. Now come to the exam pattern. The exam pattern, first one is internal exams and second one is external exams. For internal exams, 3 CAI tests will be conducted and assignments and quizzes also conducted. The total marks for internal is 25 and the total marks for external is 75. So the total mark of internal plus external marks will be 100. For internal marks, there is no minimum marks, but the maximum mark is 25. As far as the external marks, minimum mark is 28 and maximum mark is 75. So, external mark is 75 and internal is 25. So, the overall total is 100 marks. There is no minimum for the internal marks and minimum for the external is 28 and the minimum for the overall is 40 marks. So, every student must secure 40 marks, then only they get the pass. Then for the practical examinations, internal marks, the maximum mark is 40, then the minimum is 16 marks. For the external practical is maximum 60 marks and minimum 24 marks. So altogether internal and external is maximum 100 marks, but for the minimum is 40 marks in total. Okay. As far as CAA concerned, part 1 the maximum mark is 25, part 2 the maximum mark is 25, part 3 the major, allied and elective, skill based and project, that is also the maximum mark is 25. So in the external marks, the maximum mark is 75 for each part 1 and part 2 and part 3. The minimum mark should be 30 and altogether they must get 40 out of 100 in total. Once again, the practical is the maximum mark is 40 for the internal and the maximum mark for the external is 60. Altogether the maximum mark or the total mark is 100. So the minimum mark for practical is 24 and the minimum mark should be 40 in the external or overall one. Then part 4, as far as NME and CA and gender studies, they secured 40 marks as a maximum one in the internal and 60 mark the maximum mark in the external. So the minimum total mark is 40 out of 100. The question pattern for CAA is part A, 4 multiple choice questions will be given, 4 into 1, 4 marks. Part B, internal choice question, 2 questions are there. So 2 into 5, 10 marks. Then part C questions, the internal choice once again 2 questions, each carries 8 marks. Therefore 2 into 8 is equal to 16 marks. Altogether the total mark is 30. But the total internal marks is 25. Therefore average of best 2 tests must be taken out of 3 CIA tests. Internal test, 3 tests is there. We have to consider 2 best tests out of 15 marks. And assignment marks can be awarded 5 marks and quiz can be awarded for 5 marks. Altogether, the total internal mark is 25 marks. The end semester examination question pattern is Part A, multiple choice question is 10 questions there, therefore 10 marks. And Part B, 5 questions are asked. So, with internal choice, so 5 into 5, 25 marks. And Part C, once again the internal choice is given, then 5 into 8, 40 marks. Altogether, the total is 75 marks. Okay. My dear students, earn the necessary credits so as to finish the degree. I also encourage you to become rank holders and add colorful feathers to your cap. Your attendance also plays an important role. You can't write the exam if there is a shortage of attendance. So kindly attend all the classes without fail. Kindly do participate in the workshops, seminars, exhibitions, presentations, competitions, programs and other extracurricular activities to earn the necessary credits. There are also various clubs or associations which include NCC, NSS, Quiz Club, Eco Club, Youth Red Cross, Youth Welfare, Rotary Club, Parent Teachers Association, Religious Activities Club, Sarah Steps, Anti-Ragging Cell, Fine Arts Clubs, Village Adoption Cell, Innovation and Incubation Club, Placement Cell, Grievance Redressal Club, Pathfinders Club, Students Club, College Choir, Christian Educational Council, TAFT and the Department of Physical Education. As the controller of examination, I encourage all the students to join any one of these clubs or associations to exhibit your talents. We provide you opportunities. Kindly make use of it and excel in your studies and also in other activities. I wish you all success in your studies and your future endures. Thank you.